Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you. We're going behind the scenes to reveal the secrets of how virtual reality headsets are manufactured. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of VR technology. Our journey begins here, inside one of the leading virtual reality headset manufacturing facilities. This is where the magic happens. Let's take a closer look at the intricate process behind creating these immersive devices. Every virtual reality headset consists of several key components. The first step is the assembly of the display unit. It all starts with cutting-edge OLED or LCD panels, carefully selected for their vivid colors and high resolution. Next, we move on to the lenses, a crucial element for an immersive VR experience. These lenses are meticulously crafted to ensure optimal field of view and minimal distortion. Precision is the name of the game here. Inside every VR headset, you'll find an array of sensors that track your head movements, allowing you to interact with virtual environments. These sensors are assembled with great care, ensuring accurate tracking and seamless responsiveness. As we move along the production line, we witness the intricate wiring and connections that bring the headset to life. Tiny, delicate cables are precisely attached, allowing for seamless communication between the headset's components. Quality control is of utmost importance. Each headset undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the highest standards. From checking for dead pixels to verifying sensor accuracy, no detail is overlooked. Beyond the technical aspects, aesthetics play a significant role in VR headset manufacturing. The design team carefully crafts the exterior, considering comfort, weight distribution, and even style, making these devices both functional and visually appealing. Now that all the components are in place, the final assembly takes place. The headset is meticulously put together, ensuring a seamless fit and finish. Once assembled, each unit is carefully packaged, ready to be shipped to eager customers worldwide. And there you have it, an exclusive look at how virtual reality headsets are manufactured. It's truly incredible to witness the precision, technology, and craftsmanship that go into creating these devices. The next time you put on a VR headset and dive into a virtual world, remember the immense effort that went into making that experience possible. Thank you for joining us on this behind-the-scenes journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of technology. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep embracing the power of virtual reality.